Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to take trades with candlestick analysis. Let's start now. This is USD chart, what is market. The trend is in uptrend. Okay. Okay, so I placed a lower option trade. Because it's a seller zone, there is a rejection from sellers. Previously, we are seeing a strong sellers. It means at least for one candle, the sellers will make a trade candle because of this strong sellers pressure. And in this candle also, I am seeing a strong upper rejection from this seller zone. Okay. So it is a level. We are seeing rejection from this level. Okay. Okay, I'm going to place a higher option trade. So I placed here a higher option trade because of this W pattern and engulfing a retracement, and it rejected from this level. So it is a level previously. So it means it will go more up from this point. So in uptrend, we are seeing a W pattern, means the market wants to go up. Okay. So the next level is here, or the next level is here. So we can expect buyers entry till this point because it is in uptrend, it started to go up. Okay, I'm going to place a higher option trade. So I placed here a higher option trade because I'm seeing a strong buyers entry. And these buyers confirms the market was to go up. Still it closed at the seller's zone, but this candle is very strong candle. Okay. So the buyers may continue. If it is a green candlestick, then we can go with buyers confidently on the next candlestick too. Or if it is a red candlestick, the market will try to go down. Okay. Okay, I'm going to place a lower option trade. So I placed a lower option trade because I'm seeing a strong seller's entry. Instead of going up, it started to go down only. So we should not place here a higher option trade because of this strong engulfing pattern without lower rejection. Okay. So sometimes we may lose because of our prediction. We no need to worry because we will have so many opportunities to recover our loss. Okay. 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 We are seeing lower rejections against sellers entering. Okay. I'm going to place a lower option trade. So I placed a lower option trade again because the next buyers are here and still there is a gap to this level, and after strong candle still I am seeing a sellers and there is a gap too. So I'm expecting the sellers will try to fill this gap. Okay. So it already reached the level. Okay. It is trying to come to this level. So we no need to worry, it will give us a winning trade. So the next level is here. Okay, it broke this level too. The next level is here actually. Okay, I'm going to place a higher option trade. So I placed it a higher option trade because it is a level and I'm seeing a sudden strong seller's entry. So if you see this type of strong seller's entry, sometimes the market may make a retracement candlestick. So that's why I placed here a higher option trade. Let's see what happens here. Mm. So it is a level. Maybe I'm seeing continuous rejections. Maybe the buyers will enter from this point. Okay. 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 I'm going to place a lower option trade. So I placed a lower option trade because it rejected from this level, but it didn't fill the gap. So maybe the sellers will fill the gap. But according to this market movement, so it is moving like this. Maybe it will go up to, let's see what happens here. But it's better to go with sellers only because previously I'm seeing a momentum. Should not go against the momentum. So we should not go against the momentum. That's why I placed here a lower option trade. Okay. So if it is a red candle, we can go with sellers again. One more candle. Okay. Okay, I'm going to place a lower option trade. Okay. A related entry. So I placed a lower option trade because still I'm seeing sellers and the sellers wants to fill this gap. That's why I placed a lower option trade, but a very late entry. Because of my entry point, I may lose this trade too. Yeah. So if it makes a strong candle, I may win this trade. Otherwise, I may lose this trade. Okay. 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 We have 5 seconds. Okay. I'm going to place a lower option trade again. So I placed a lower option trade because still there is a gap to this level. It rejected, but again it made a green candlestick only. So we can expect sellers again here. That's why I placed a lower option trade. Okay. So we are seeing buyer's entry from this point means if the sellers closes here, we can expect buyer's entry from this point. Okay. Okay. Sellers entered very strongly. Okay. I'm going to place a lower option trade again. So I placed a lower option trade because still I'm seeing strong sellers with gap to this level and the buyers rejected from this point. Maybe the sellers will enter again because with compared to previous candle body, this candle is very strong. Okay. That's why I placed here a lower option trade again. I'm expecting one more candlestick here. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, we have 15 seconds. Okay, we have 5 seconds. Okay, this is oriented a strong seller's entry, and the next level is here. So it may try to continue, or the market may make a retracement candlestick too. But the previous candle is very strong. It's not good to go with sellers directly. It's better to wait for the next candle. If the next candle is a red candle, then we can go with sellers automatically. So totally I took total 10 trades here. So total 10 trades, two losses. So these two losses because of these are not my fault. I expected a continuation here, but it failed to get winning trade here and here as well. And at this point also, I expected, okay. So I expected buyer's entry here. I expected buyer's entry because it reversed in the middle, but again sellers entered only because of this breakout. So it broke the level and again it came back to this level to retest the level. So it tried first time, it tried here and again it tried again. Finally, it made a strong bearish candlestick. Then it started to go down. So now we can expect sellers entry till this point because this is the next point to reverse. So always try to predict like this. Always observe the levels and rejections and continuing signs and everything. Then it will be easy to predict the market. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.